So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to reconcile PayPal transactions in Xero. First, sign into your Xero account. Start a new trial, then click Add Payment Platform, then select PayPal. Securely authorize an access. Next, click Add Accounting Platform and authorize the connection to your Xero organization. Now, before pulling in data, adjust your configuration, map your PayPal sales, merchant fees, refunds, and taxes to your specific Xero chart of accounts. You can also set up default customers, enable multi-currency support, and choose whether the sync happens automatically or manually. Now navigate to the platform transactions within Xero and select your desired time range for today's recent sales all the way back to the historical data and click Sync. Xero will begin extracting the data, separating the fees, and pushing the records into Xero. Now open Xero and go to your bank feed. Because Xero has already pushed the matched invoice and the expenses fees into Xero, the system will automatically recognize the math when you look at the incoming bank line. Xero will suggest a match that equals your net deposit. Just click OK to clear the transaction. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.